Hey there, welcome back to the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey, and today we're in the kitchen doing something just a little bit different. Today, we received the Michael's Burgers DIY kit, which is a kit that allows us to cook 2 burgers at our house with all the signature Michael's flavors and items with no waste, grocery shopping, mess, or cleanup. So let's get that unboxed and see what's inside. Also, it came with this nifty little envelope that has directions on how to prepare the burger in case you have any questions along the way. So let's get started. So now that I've got these things out of the package, I'm gonna take a look at what we've got. And we're gonna start with these 2 quite large burger patties here. These are local beef, seasoned with Michael's signature blend. And the other side here, we have 2 buns that are nice. They're nice, good-sized buns. Look like they should fit the burger itself well, and they're nice and soft. I have pickles, sweet pickle relish, Michael's signature mayo, local organic lettuce, sharp cheddar cheese, local organic tomatoes, and red onions. So a lot of these things are from right here in St. Kitts, which is fantastic. So now we're gonna set these things aside and let's get cooking. The first thing we're gonna do is cook off the beef. I'm gonna put down just a touch of oil, and then we're gonna go ahead and place the patties right onto the hot pan. The directions say to fry the patties on each side for 4 minutes for medium or a touch longer for well done. The burgers have been flipped for about 4 minutes now, and the directions say to melt the cheese by covering with a pan. I turn the heat down just a touch at this point, and I'm gonna leave this covered for about 1.5 minutes and check to see if the cheese is melted.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
The cheese is nice and melted, and as you can see, these are beautiful, and they smell fantastic. We're gonna set these aside and get the buns toasted off.
A few moments later.
Now I'm going to go through and just turn all the burger buns over and toast them on the other side and give them just a minute. Alright, perfect. So as you can see here, now the buns are beautifully toasted. That didn't take no time. So let's move on to assembling the burger. So now I'm going to take the 2 bottom buns and place them right on a plate and go ahead and grab my Michael's mayonnaise. This stuff is beautiful. It's a bright purple and it's creamy and rich. Let's go ahead and put a little bit down. I'm gonna be sure to spread this all the way to the outside because I want a good bit in every bite. This stuff looks fantastic. Next comes the local organic lettuce. So we're gonna go ahead and place that right in the middle of each of these. The local tomato. These things are juicy and beautiful. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the Michael's Burger signature patty with the special Michael's seasoning and the sharp cheddar cheese. The burger patty fits the bun nicely, which I have to say, I really like it when the burger patty and the bun are the same size. Next, it says to put on the sweet pickle relish. I love pickles, so relish on a burger sounds fantastic to me. And again, I'm gonna spread this all the way around. That way I get quite a bit in every bite. It smells fantastic. And now the pickles, they gave me a whole cup of sliced pickles. So I'm gonna go ahead and put quite a few on here. I think 3 should do well. And next we have the local red onion. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a few slices of these and just kind of break it apart and set it around. This red onion is really nice. It's nice and juicy and fresh. And now we have our beautiful toasted top buns. We're gonna set right on there. Fantastic. So let's go ahead and separate these and get a better look at them. All right, so here's a look at our burger. We have these fantastic layers of fresh, juicy local vegetables, pickles, and cheese. And I gotta say, I think they both look pretty good. So let's go ahead and eat one and give it the ultimate test. All right, so here are a few shots of the burgers that I just made. And I have to say, all in all, I really like the Michael's Burgers DIY kit. This thing is actually fantastic. It was very simple. It came with very clear and easy instructions. There was nothing difficult about the process. The Michael's mayo is fantastic. I don't know what's in that stuff, but man, I really gotta try to find out. Locally sourced ingredients are always a fantastic thing as well. Supporting the local economy, the perfectly seasoned, big, thick, juicy burger patty. And also, you can get these kits and take them to the beach with you for having fun in the sun with all of your friends and things like that. You never have to leave to go get food now. Now you can literally take Michael's Burgers and their signature flavors with you wherever you go. And also, there's no cleanup. So if you do take this with you on the go, then you don't have a bunch of trash left over. You don't have an extra head of lettuce laying around. You literally waste nothing, and there's nearly no cleanup. So this is fantastic, and I would recommend it to absolutely anyone. All right, well that wraps us up on another episode from the athomedive YouTube channel. Comment below and let me know how your DIY kit from Michael's turns out. And let me know what you think of your burgers. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe. Have a great day.